Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to draw Angry Bird. So let's get started. With the help of a pencil, make the shape of Angry Bird. It's somewhat the shape of circle. Now draw eye line, means two lines will come on it and a center line. So the place where the two lines intersect, make an oval shape for its beak. Next, go for its eyes, two small circles above the eye line. I am trying to make out the shape of our Angry Bird every time. As this is a pencil drawing, take your time to do it well. Don't hold the pencil tightly, just with soft hands you need to draw. Now draw feather-like thing with two ovals on it. Draw the tail portion by a shape like this and do the detail out of it. Give its proper shape. Now as it's an Angry Bird, we have to give frown expression like this. Place the eyeballs. Give details on beak. To show our Angry Bird, we need to give angry mouth. Two small arc under the eye to give a chubby look. This is the stage where you should make your line clear. If you are satisfied with your pencil drawing and can see your drawing clearly, you can start tracing it with any black pen. I am using my Sharpie. Check it out. After tracing, you can erase the pencil lines and start coloring your Angry Bird. You can bold the outline like this. And here's your Angry Bird is ready. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoy it, then hit thumbs up and comment below. You can share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.